Every now and again I like to throw in old-fashioned traditional recipes, and today that's exactly what we're doing with this coconut ice. A beautiful little sweet treat made with 3 ingredients, 4 ingredients if you include the food colouring. Super easy, really tasty, and this is everything you need. To begin, lightly oil and line a shallow tin with greaseproof paper. This one's 20 centimeters by 15 centimeters, and then you can set it aside. Next, place 150 milliliters of whole milk or single cream into a saucepan and add in 450 grams of caster sugar. Place it over a low heat and stir until the sugar dissolves. Once the sugar's dissolved, increase the heat and bring it to a boil. Then allow the mixture to boil gently for around 10 minutes or until it reaches soft ball stage, which means once dropped into a glass of cold water, you can form the mixture into a ball between your fingers and thumb. Alternatively, heat it to between 112 to 116 degrees Celsius on a sugar thermometer. Take the mixture from the heat and beat in 150 grams of desiccated coconut. Now quickly place half into the lined tin and spread it out as evenly as you can. And then use the back of a wet spoon to compress it nicely into the bottom of the tin. With the remaining mixture, add a splash of red food colouring and mix it to a nice pink colour. Now this can be quite difficult to mix in because the mixture is already starting to set. So I just added in 2 spoons of water and that just helped it mix in a little bit easier. Next, spread it evenly over the white coconut mixture and again compress it down with the back of a wet spoon. Then you can leave it to cool. Place it into the fridge for 1 hour to set before cutting it into squares. Don't worry, it will crumble a bit. You can even just break it up with your hands if you want. Store your coconut ice in an airtight container and eat it within a few days. So there you go, a super easy recipe for a homemade sweet treat. I hope you enjoy this one, and if you make it, don't forget to tag me in it, show me the pictures, I love to see them. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.